Hey, I'm here to show you guys my setup. So we'll start off at the frame. I got a Sunday Funday 2.1 Aaron Ross frame, 2.75 top tube. I like this frame a lot. It's really nice and it's perfect for my style. Got a sweet bottom tube. The chain tensioners. So next I got Sunday Triumph XL replica bars, ODI long neck grips, and Odyssey bar ends. And then I got a Sunday free stem, Odyssey headset, and stock Sunday forks from my orange soda bike. For cranks, I'm riding the Odyssey Thunderbolts. I really like them. Odyssey Twisted PCs. I've been riding these pedals for over a year, and they're definitely my favorite. Shadow Conspiracy Ravager 28 tooth sprocket. Shadow Corvus bottom bracket. A little dirty and scratched out. Shadow Interlock V2 chain. I really like this chain, except for it wrecked up my last hub, or my last driver. Chewed up the teeth. Odyssey Principal Aaron Ross seat, keyboard. Odyssey seat post. Sunday seat clamp. And for my wheels, I got Profile Minis, laced to G-Sport roll cage rims. Shadow Conspiracy spokes, alloy nipples. And for the pegs, I got Shadow Conspiracy little one pegs. I like them, they're very light. Then Profile Aegis, if that's how you pronounce it, hub guards in front and back. And for my tires, I got an Eclat control tire in the front. Really like this tire, very grippy. The only problem with white walls is it's a pain in the butt to keep them clean. And then an Eclat control tire, or escape tire in the back. Really like this one too. 2.10 in the back and 2.3 in the front. So yeah, that is my bike check.